Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix camera showing only black screen on Windows 10 or 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. First way would be to search for camera, and what we're going to do here is to focus on these options at the right part and click on app settings. From here, let's scroll down a bit, and under app permissions, make sure that background apps is turned on right here. Next thing would be to click on reset to reset our camera app, and once you have resetted it, restart your computer and reopen your camera app. If that does not work, the next way would be to do a right click on the start icon and click on device manager. From this list, find cameras and open up the drop down options, and you should be able to find your camera device. From here, right click on it and go to properties. Let's go to the driver tab and click on update driver right here. Click on search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best drivers are already installed, close this and let's click on disable device right here. Click on yes and enable your camera device again. Hit close and try restarting your computer after that and see if that solves your problem. If not, let's go to our browser, and what we're going to search for is the manufacturer website of our camera. So you can find the name of your camera right here. You can search for it, search for your camera device and add a driver to it, and you can see some websites that will be providing installers for your drivers. So you can visit the site or your manufacturer site. For example, if you have an HP camera, visit only the HP site to download your camera driver. Once you have tried that, and if it still does not work, the next way would be to search for Troubleshoot and click on Troubleshoot settings. Let's click on additional troubleshooters, scroll down a bit and look for camera if it shows right here. It does not show on mine, but try looking it on your settings page and run the camera troubleshooter and see if that works for you. And that is how you can basically fix camera showing only black screen on your Windows. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.